All the audience at eyes, we started our live demo here with case of transcatheterized symposia, cardiographic ratio below 50, with large segment with 16 to 17 diameter, left fraction.
The patient has quite adequate mitral rim and posterior rim. The patient still has minimal aortic rim and adequate posterior rim. We measure the diameter is about almost 19 millimeter.
With the non-fluoroscopy technique.
Now we avoid to use the X-ray to do the intervention and diagnostic in congenital heart disease.
The catheter now is on the left upper pulmonary vein.
So Dr. Oyofi keep the wire on the left upper pulmonary vein.
You see the bubble coming from the pulmonary vein?
Dr. Yofi, what's the plan? Where you want to deploy your device? On the pulmonary vein or the left atrium?
Well, we try to deploy the LFS first at the pulmonary vein.
Okay.
Yes, good.
This is quite good. This is our zero view, 4-chamber view. The device position is good here.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
We're going to do the wiggle.
Wiggle test.
Okay. Any other comment from the panelists there?
Yeah,